Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall well-being. When we consume food, especially carbohydrates, our body breaks them down into glucose. Glucose is our primary energy source. However, high blood sugar levels can damage vital organs. It's often linked to type 2 diabetes and can harm blood vessels. This increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also affect kidneys, eyes, and nerves. We can regulate blood sugar with lifestyle changes and natural remedies. A simple, delicious drink can support pancreas health and manage blood sugar. This drink is easy to make and can be enjoyed anytime. Our pancreas plays a vital role in blood sugar regulation. This organ produces insulin, a hormone responsible for transporting glucose from the bloodstream into our cells to be used as energy. When blood sugar levels rise, the pancreas releases insulin to bring them back down to a healthy range. However, when we consistently consume a diet high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, our pancreas has to work overtime to produce enough insulin. This constant overexertion can lead to a condition called insulin resistance, where our cells become less responsive to insulin's effects. As a result, glucose builds up in the bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. The pancreas can become overworked and damaged. This can lead to serious health problems, including type 2 diabetes. We need to take care of our pancreas so it can continue to function properly. This special drink can help to support your pancreas and improve your blood sugar control. It is made with natural ingredients that have been shown to have beneficial effects on blood sugar levels. In the next section, we'll explore the specific ingredients that make this drink so potent. The key to this drink's effectiveness lies in its unique blend of ingredients, each chosen for its blood sugar regulating properties. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and slows down carbohydrate breakdown, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. Turmeric's curcumin is anti-inflammatory, improves insulin sensitivity, and protects pancreatic cells. Ginger reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and lowers blood sugar levels. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, helps regulate glucose metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity. Lemon, high in vitamin C, slows carbohydrate digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. Combined, these ingredients provide comprehensive support for blood sugar management. Section 4. Your daily dose of pancreas. Support a simple recipe. Here's a simple recipe for the pancreas supporting drink. 1 cup or 240 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of ground turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 green tea bag, half a lemon juiced. 1. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. 2. Add the cinnamon, turmeric and ginger to the boiling water. 3. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes. 4. Remove from heat and add the green tea bag. 5. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes, then remove the tea bag. 6. Stir in the lemon juice. 7. Enjoy your warm and flavorful pancreas-supporting drink. You can adjust the amount of each ingredient to suit your taste. Start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it as needed. Section 5. The pancreas, your body's sugar maestro. The pancreas, a small but mighty organ located behind the stomach, plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar levels. It produces insulin, a hormone that acts as a key, unlocking cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. When the pancreas is functioning correctly, this process happens seamlessly, keeping blood sugar levels within a healthy range. Maintaining a healthy pancreas is paramount to overall health. When the pancreas is overworked or damaged, it can lead to conditions like insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, increasing the risk of various health complications. Incorporating the pancreas-supporting drink into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to show your pancreas some love. Remember, a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining optimal blood sugar levels and overall well-being. This drink is not a magic cure, but a valuable tool to support your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar and maintain a healthy pancreas. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.